Ever picked up your iPhone and noticed, wait, where did all my texts go? Poof. Just like that, gone. Well, don't panic. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the real reasons why your text messages disappeared from your iPhone. And most importantly, how to get your disappeared messages and iMessages back on iPhone. Let's fix this. First, let's talk about why this happens. Generally, the reasons for your text messages missing from iPhone include storage issues, iCloud settings, software glitches, and accidental deletion. Yup, something as simple as running low on storage can make your iPhone act weird. Or maybe your iCloud isn't syncing the way it's supposed to. And let's be real, we've all deleted stuff by accident before, right? Knowing what's behind the problem is half the battle. Now, let's talk about fixing it and recovering these disappeared messages. Method 1. Restart Messages app or iPhone. We'll start with the simplest solution. Sometimes, system freezes, the glitches of the Messages app or other applications can cause your text messages to suddenly disappear. In such cases, you can try to close the Messages app from the background, and then restart your iPhone to see if this fixes the system bugs and make the text messages come back. If not, move to the next solution. Method 2. Check Deleted Messages folder. Did you know iPhones have a recently deleted folder for messages after iOS 16? It's a lifesaver if you've accidentally swiped something away. But recently deleted can only save your deleted messages for up to 30 days. Here's how to check. Open the Messages app. Tap Edit in the top left corner. Then tap Show Recently Deleted. Look for your missing messages and choose them. Then hit Recover Recover Messages to restore the disappeared text messages to your iPhone. Easy, right? But what if they're not there? Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Method 3. Check iCloud settings. Well, if your messages are set to sync with iCloud, they might be safely stored in the cloud but not showing up on your iPhone. You could go to Settings. Then tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud to find Messages or Messages in iCloud. And make sure it's toggled on. If it's already on, toggle it off. Wait a few seconds. And turn it back on. This forces your iPhone to resync with iCloud. Just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have enough iCloud storage for this to work. Method 4. Make sure you choose to keep your text messages forever on your iPhone, otherwise, the old messages will be automatically deleted after a certain period of time. On the Settings app, tap Messages and select the Keep Messages option. Then choose the Forever option. Besides, remember to enable iMessage to avoid missing text messages on an iPhone. Head to Settings, Messages and toggle the iMessage option on. Method 5. Try iPhone data recovery. Okay, if none of that works, it's time to bring out the big guns, recovering your disappeared iPhone messages from a reliable data recovery tool like iPhone Data Recovery. It can deeply scan your iPhone memory to find your disappeared or missing text messages and iMessages. You can preview the scan results and freely select the text messages you need to recover. The best thing is that it recovers your disappeared text messages without erasing your device. Click the link below the video to download the software and follow the steps to get back your disappeared text messages now. Unlock your iPhone and plug it into your computer using a data cable. Launch the software and locate the Recover from iOS Device tab. Then click Start Scan to begin analyzing your iPhone storage space. After scanning, navigate to Message and Contacts and select Messages and Message Attachments. Then in the right panel, you can preview the contents of all text messages searched from your iPhone, including your missing texts. Check the items you want and hit Recover in the lower right corner. Then select a suitable destination to save these text messages. That's it. This is a simple and efficient way to recover your iPhone missing text messages and iMessages. Let's move to the next one. Method 6. Use iCloud Backup. Yep, as we all know, the backup function provided by iCloud always plays an important role when you need it. If you regularly back up your iPhone data to iCloud and have a backup containing your disappeared text messages, then getting your missing messages back on iPhone from iCloud Backup is also an option. But heads up, you'll lose anything added after the backup date. So be careful with this method. First, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. This will reset your iPhone to factory settings, so make sure you're prepared. After the reset, set up your iPhone as usual. When you get to the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, select from iCloud Backup. Then log into your iCloud account and pick the backup made before your messages disappeared. It might take some time, but once it's done, your messages should reappear, along with all the other data from that backup. Method 7. Use iTunes/Finder Backup. Alternatively, if you have previously synced your iPhone with iTunes or Finder before and created local backups, iTunes/Finder can also help you retrieve disappeared text messages to your iPhone. But like iCloud Backup, this will factory reset your iPhone and erase all data. If you are ready, here is how to get started. Connect your iPhone with your computer and open iTunes, or Finder on Mac OS Catalina and later. Click on your device icon when it appears. Then go to Summary or General. Under Backups, click Restore Backup. Pick a backup from before your texts went missing. Then click Restore. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will reboot, and you should see your old messages back in place. Great! And there you have it, 7 ways to tackle disappearing messages on your iPhone. Whether it's a quick settings tweak or a full backup restore, I hope one of these methods works for you. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let me know if you need more help in the comments. Thanks for watching.